So I've just found this gorgeous place called Allier, which is behind me. I'm going to go for a quick swim. Are you coming? Glad to get all your sleeves off. It was really hot. I don't know if I want to do it. Oh dear. Success! That was a bit of fun. Might do it again. Looking for something long and hard to grab hold of. Oh, bit of a route. Thought I was going to get carried away. I'm going to have to hop out and get dry before I get back on the bike again. Well, that was a great cool off. I'm off to the next place now, wherever that might be.